guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. Today I'll be teaching you how to prep and marinate chicken drumsticks. Step 1. Remove the drumsticks from the package. Place it into a container, followed by pouring 3 tablespoons of salt. Step 2. Cut 3 limes in half. Step 3. Remove tendons, remove feather and fat, followed by butterfly cuts to allow the salt to soak in. Step 4. Squeeze the lime juice onto the chicken. Step 5. Rub the lime onto the chicken to remove the meaty smell. Then let the chicken soak in the lime and salt for 5 minutes. Step 6. Add 14 cups of water into a pot, 2 tablespoons of salt with limes to boil. Step 7. Once boiled, rinse out the chicken with cold water. Add the chicken into the boiled water. Step 8. Strain the chicken. Step 9. Add seasoning into a pan and marinate the chicken. And the finished product should look like this. For the garnish, read the description. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for future contents. Till next time, take care of yourself.